Tonight for dinner, we're making my auntie's baked ziti recipe. It's super simple and delicious. For the cheese mixture component for the baked ziti, you will need 2 cups of shredded mozzarella, a half a cup of grated parmesan, 1 egg, and a 15-ounce container of ricotta. I'm using a whole ricotta. We're just going to go ahead and get all of this mixed together. For the meat sauce, you will need a tablespoon of olive oil, a whole chopped onion, 4 cloves of garlic finely minced, a pound of ground beef, and a pound of Italian sausage. You'll need a 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes and a quart of tomato sauce or marinara sauce, either one, a tablespoon of dried Italian seasoning, a teaspoon of red pepper flakes, salt and pepper to taste. We're going to go ahead and start sauteing the onions. I put a tablespoon of olive oil in the pan. I added the onion. I'm going to season with salt and pepper and let these onions cook down a little bit. The onions have cooked down quite a bit. They're caramelized. I'm going to add the ground beef and the Italian sausage. Get this browned up. The meat is starting to brown up nicely. I'm going to add the garlic, the Italian seasoning, and the red pepper flakes. Cook this for a minute longer. It's been about a minute. We're going to add our tomato products. And then simmer for 30 minutes. We'll turn the temperature down to low and let it simmer. In addition to the meat mixture and the cheese mixture, you'll need a pound of ziti and an additional 2 cups of shredded mozzarella. The ziti that I like to use is ziti ricotta, and the ricotta just means it has these ridges on there, and that helps hold the sauce. So if you have a choice between ziti and ziti ricotta, I'd recommend the ziti ricotta. The sauce has simmered for about 30 minutes. It smells amazing. I tested it for seasoning. It's spot on. I'm going to remove 4 cups of the sauce and let it cool just for a few minutes. I went ahead and cooked the ziti per the manufacturer's instructions. I cooked it about 2 minutes, just shy of al dente. It'll finish cooking when we bake it off in the oven. I let this sauce cool down for about 10 minutes, the 4 cups. Now I'm just going to add it to our cheese mixture and get this mixed together. Now we're going to take that meat and cheese mixture and we're going to dress our pasta. To put the dish together, I'm going to take half of our pasta, layer it into my baking dish, take half of the reserved shredded cheese, we'll layer it in there. And then half of our remaining sauce, we'll layer that next. I really like this recipe because you can put it all together earlier in the day and then bake it off for dinner. Get the kitchen cleaned up. Okay, we're going to repeat with the remainder of the pasta. I have the oven preheating to 350. Now I'm going to put the rest of the sauce on, and then we'll bake this for 25 minutes. And then the last 5 minutes, I'll put the other half of the remainder shredded mozzarella on, and we'll bake it for 5 minutes. I'm definitely going to put this baking dish on a sheet tray. I don't want any spillage in the oven. All right. Into the 350-degree oven for 25 minutes. The pasta has cooked for 25 minutes. I'm just going to put the remaining shredded mozzarella right on top, and we'll put this back in the oven for 5 minutes. And in the meantime, I'm just going to prepare a Italian salad to go with it with some garlic bread. All right, back into the oven for 5 minutes. In the meantime, I just made an Italian salad. It has iceberg, grated carrots, a little bit of red onions sliced very thin, some artichoke hearts, some sliced pepperoncinis, black olives, and a couple Roma tomatoes, and a few croutons. I'm going to toss it with some Olive Garden dressing. Usually I make my own dressing, but I like the Olive Garden salad. So we'll just drizzle some on and then give it a good toss. After 5 minutes, the cheese is melted. We're going to get this plated up. Here's what it looks like plated up. Baked ziti, Italian salad, and some garlic bread.